My name is Ethan, and I have an unhealthy addiction to BMWs. About a year ago, I was lucky enough to pick up one of my favorite examples, this 2016 BMW 328D sports wagon. Unfortunately, shortly after I bought the car, an open recall had hit my VIN that caused large amounts of black smoke to exit my tailpipe. Now, once I got the notice for the recall, I immediately contacted BMW, who said literally they had no idea what to do about it. Now, you would think that a problem that causes black smoke and the car might catch on fire would warrant them giving me a loaner car, but they didn't, and I continued to drive the car for the next 3 months. Unsurprisingly, the stuff coming out of the rear end of the car is now clogged in my downpipe towards the front of the car. Shocking. What may be even more shocking, though, is that BMW claims that somehow the damage in the downpipe is not related to the recall that causes smoke to come out the rear. I fought them about this for months, but ultimately they told me that I had no case and that my only solution was to pay $11,000 to fix this car. So I took my wallet out and I bought another BMW that is also broken. This is my 1998 BMW 323 IS, and she's, well...
You're ugly, you're disgusting, I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, so she doesn't look great, but she runs fantastic. Just listen to the sound that this engine makes. Okay, so it doesn't run great either, but listen, I got this thing for so cheap that it basically doesn't matter what happens to it. It's a clean title, factory manual coupe. It's got everything I want. So realistically, before I even bought this car, I kind of knew I was already going to buy this car. Yet everyone who cares about me enough to offer me advice told me to stay as far away from this thing as humanly possible. So I did what I do best, listened to absolutely nobody, drove 300 miles to go look at a car with rod knock, bought it, drove it 300 miles home without access to a tow truck, and here it sits in my driveway. Not exploded? So listen, I've heard the noise, you've heard the noise, I'm pretty sure it's rod knock, but this car has done a track day and a 300-mile road trip since the noise started, so who knows, maybe it's not rod knock. If you're interested in finding out what exactly, oh my goodness, okay. If you're interested in finding out what exactly is going on with this E36, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for next week when we take this car into the shop for a full engine diagnosis.